Vanakkam and welcome back, my dear student. Now that you have mastered essential daily dialogues, we are moving to concept 2, the question and answer masterclass. Today, we will look at how to confidently ask and answer the most vital everyday questions in spoken Tamil. The word "enna" means what? It is the foundation of curiosity. To reply to "இது என்ன", simply use "இது ஒரு" followed by the object name. Like புத்தகம் for book. Keep your tone bright and clear. In Tamil, "yar" means who. Notice we use "our" as a highly respectful pronoun for both men and women. Asriyar means teacher. This establishes standard polite etiquette in your conversations. When looking for locations, "enge" is your go-to word for where. Practice the spatial difference. "Ange" means over there and "inge" means right here. It gives instant clarity to a native speaker. For students managing schedules, "eppodu" means when. "Vagupu" is the beautiful formal word for class, and "kalai" denotes the fresh morning hours. To ask why, use the powerful one-word question "yen". Tamadam means delay. In spoken Tamil, this question is short, efficient, and incredibly common in everyday scenarios. The word "eppadi" stands for how. We previously used it for well-being, but here it helps you learn methods. Replying with polite commands like "samayungal", meaning please cook, adds deep respect. An absolute lifesaver for travelers on the street. "Evvalavu" means how much, and "vilai" means price. Master this phrase and you can comfortably navigate any marketplace or store. Fantastic job mastering these question and answer structures. If you want to practice asking and answering these live with the personalized correction, click my Preply link below to book a one-on-one session. Let's build your fluency together. God bless you.